Good morning. Welcome to the shop and thanks for stopping by. Today we're playing with a laser engraver, but we're going to add a little twist to it and going to make some canvas art. So if you're a DIYer, an artist, or just want to make some home decorations, this is for you. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to take some white canvas and make some beautiful pieces of art. There's a couple of different ways you can do these things. First thing you're going to need is some white canvas. This is just cheap white canvas board from Amazon. Paint whatever color you want and some time. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your canvas and paint it. What I did on this one here, I painted it gray first, let it dry, and then I painted it black. Doing that, as the laser engraver burns off the black paint, if you set your power right, you get more of a gradient with the gray below it. Otherwise, it would just be black and white and you lose some of the definition. So it's real easy to do. I'll show you my settings here in a moment and we'll burn one. Okay, now we're all set up over here at the laser engraver. We've got light burn open, got everything pretty much ready to go. The first thing I've got is my image here that has been processed as image R. It is 324 dots per inch. My settings for the layer at 2.5% overscan, set for pass-through, and I do not have negative image turned on because I've already got a negative image to begin with. My speed is 2500 at 9% power. Now I am using the longer B1 40-watt laser engraver, so I got the power turned way down so I don't burn through the canvas and tear it up. These settings will change according to your laser engraver. So make sure you pick up some extra canvases and try them out to find the setting that works best for you, and then you can come up with some really cool projects. So we'll close this out, and you'll notice I've got a line and an image. There's my image. We're going to turn it off. We're going to turn on the line, and you can see the blue line. What I do to make it easier to aim and position is I just put a bounding box around whatever it is I want to burn. I lay a piece of cardboard down on the laser bed, and I burn that bounding box into the cardboard. In fact, I could probably turn that down just a little bit. We'll make it 6%. And the speed at 6,000. So what we're going to do is turn on the laser engraver. I've got my cardboard down here already. You can see the cardboard here. Got the laser engraver set up. We are going to turn on the line, the bounding box, and we're going to run it. Now it puts just a box on the cardboard for us. Now I pre-aimed everything, so now we know exactly where we want to set our material so it comes out straight. There we have that. Now we're going to turn off the bounding box, turn on the image, and we're going to run it. And here we go. So I'll be back as soon as this is done and show you the effects. And remember, please like and subscribe. We're really trying to grow. We're really getting into some cool things. So follow along with us. Have fun. Okay, so today I showed you how to take plain white canvas, do something cool with it. Laser engravers, great accessory to your shop, to your hobby. Get out there, have fun with them. Again, like and subscribe. Have a good day.